I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your app, on your Shortmax app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for here short max app, or just click on search. So then here at short max app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.